When your friend works for a pyramid scheme job, I mean, what is the... Oh, hey, how's it going? I was actually just watching a video from the YouTube channel LongBeachGriffy, and he was just doing a little parody about, pyramid schemes and being invited to things, and I wanted to kind of give a little bit more perspective and kind of my take on it as well. Without further ado, let's get into today's video, and make sure to watch it all the way to the end so you can kind of hear my little recap as well.
DeAndre, man, what's up?
Hey, Anthony. What's up, man?
What's up, man? I ain't seen you in like 6 months, bro. You solid?
I've never been better. I've just been on the road to success. Follow your dreams, okay? Steve Jobs, man. Steve Jobs.
What about Steve Jobs?
The key to success. Steve Jobs. Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk.
I love how he's just name dropping. Oh, this is funny.
Yeah, them dudes are super rich. Hey, you good, bro?
In 2 weeks, I'll be the richest man in the world. You know why?
Why?
Because I spoke it into existence.
Positive affirmations. Okay.
Okay, like, how you actually gonna do it, though?
A goal, a plan, an idea. Love, compassion, determination, motivation. Life, bro.
Oh my goodness, this is some good stuff right here. Those are all positive things I will have to say.
Word. Okay.
You should come to our meeting tonight at 9. Come talk to some millionaires. Let's get rich.
You know, actually, nah.
Yes.
Nah.
Yes.
Yes. Nah. Is it like, nah, man, nah.
Nah. Yes.
His face. Goodness. Yes, nah, yes. Final words have never been spoken.
Okay, I'll go.
Nah, yes. Alright, so that was very interesting, funny, maybe to some, not funny to others. I thought it was funny. I think the way that he kind of communicates is very exaggerated, but at the same time there's always a kernel to watermelon-sized truth that can be pulled out of anything. I think it's just looking at things from, like criticism, whether it's constructive or deconstructive, it's still just information from another person's perspective, and it's so important to be able to pull, again, that kernel or watermelon and everything in between out of that so we can learn and grow from that. And I think the main things I'll learn from this is it's so important to pre-qualify if you are in a distributor or sales associate position. Jordan Belfort teaches a lot about that. His link will be in the description below for his book. It's so important to pre-qualify so we can understand needs, goals, and assess for fit. And we want to invite others and ask questions, not tell them things like, you should come to a class or you should do this because it'll help me out. Like, it should always be about trying to understand the other person's needs, goals, and how we can provide solutions to them. On the other end of the spectrum, I can totally understand how, LongBeachGriffy and other people may have felt. I've felt that way in the past whenever I'm hard sold either a product or a business opportunity. And that's typically because people are coming from a traditional network marketing business model where it's focused on leading with the business opportunity, recruiting, and selling. That's very normal, and you have to have discernment and as well as consumer education to be able to handle that and communicate and, conflict resolute as well, not just from the distributor side, but I'm more talking about the consumer side or prospect side. I mean, that's so important. It's often overlooked, and most people don't even care about that. They just are like, I got pitched by a pyramid scheme, and it's just like, well, how did you handle it from a communication standpoint, from a conflict resolution standpoint, from an understanding of how the industry works? Traditional network marketing versus authentic network marketing, whereas authentic network marketing companies focus on leading with powerful products, teaching and sharing, and it's more of a invitation or asking questions, not just telling. And so that's more like sales training and stuff, but it's so important that we all have that so that we can have discernment from a consumer standpoint as well as be an educated consumer, and then from the sales associate side to make sure that we're creating positive experiences and really representing the brand of network marketing, MLM, or that company appropriately so that people aren't being misled or being taken down a road that isn't necessary. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. You can watch the original video with the link in the description below, or check out some of my other links so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.